Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today, we're going to talk about a groundbreaking announcement that will surely make waves in the blockchain industry. Core DAO, one of the leading blockchain ecosystems, has just launched a $200 million collaboration with MEXC and Bitget, two of the world's top cryptocurrency trading platforms. This partnership aims to further the growth of the core ecosystem, reward its best builders and developers, and advance accessibility and decentralization initiatives. What makes this collaboration unique is its sustainable approach in rewarding projects that hit customized and agreed-upon benchmarks. This incentivizes tangible value delivery to the core community, making it a win-win situation for everyone involved. Core DAO has just made an exciting announcement that will set the tone for the future of the blockchain industry. The company has launched a $200 million collaboration with MEXC and Bitget, two of the world's leading cryptocurrency trading platforms. This move is aimed at furthering the growth of the core ecosystem, rewarding Core's best builders and developers, and advancing accessibility and decentralization initiatives. Unlike traditional grant-based systems that offer short-term liquidity mining incentives, Core's ecosystem collaboration employs a more sustainable approach. It rewards projects for hitting customized and agreed-upon benchmarks, prioritizing tangible value delivered to the core community. This collaboration initiative will provide support to early-stage projects for research and development, recruiting, marketing, community building programs, and other priority growth initiatives. By focusing on long-term success and sustainability, this collaborative effort will play a vital role in driving innovation and growth on Core. The partnership with MEXC and Bitget is expected to be a game-changer for the core ecosystem. With a combined user base of over 18 million accounts across 170 countries, MEXC and Bitget are key strategic partners of Core DAO, which is looking to advance accessibility, decentralization, and other key initiatives. MEXC and Bitget's partnership with Core DAO brings immense value to decentralized protocols earning rewards from the core ecosystem collaboration. MEXC is a leading global cryptocurrency trading platform with trading services for spot, futures, ETFs, NFTs, and more. MEXC also has a venture capital and incubation arm known as MVentures, which is leading the work for the MEXC side of the initiative with the goal of supporting growth for projects with the most promising use cases. By adopting native staking, MEXC's millions of users can easily support core security by staking their core tokens. Additionally, MEXC itself will be directly supporting the core network by acting as one of the validators on the chain. Bitget, on the other hand, is a worldwide leading exchange with leading futures and copy trading features. The exchange boasts over 8 million users in more than 100 countries and regions. Bitget is participating in the core ecosystem collaboration following its recent announcement of the Bitget Web3 Fund. Similar to MEXC, Bitget is also opening a new core trading zone on its platform and its integrated BitKeep wallet. Users will also be able to natively stake their core tokens on the Bitget platform, further increasing core security. The Core DAO ecosystem collaboration is a notable unlock for ecosystem participants and the core chain itself. For users, it represents a new era of blockchain development that is more sustainable, user-friendly, and accessible. For contributors and partners, it is an opportunity to capitalize on the growth potential of the core ecosystem and advance their projects in a more collaborative and supportive environment. The Core Ecosystem Collaboration Initiative will undoubtedly pave the way for the next generation of decentralized applications and protocols. As more validators and users join in securing the network, core security continues to increase. Core DAO's commitment to nurturing projects that align with Core's long-term vision of building a truly decentralized and user-focused blockchain will become a driving force in unlocking the potential of decentralized projects on the Core blockchain. Core tokens are only available to persons outside of the United States, Canada, and non-OFAC-sanctioned countries. Each recipient shall determine which laws, rules and regulations are applicable and shall undertake all necessary efforts to comply with all such obligations. Core and its affiliates make no representation of the legal status of Core under any jurisdiction. Furthermore, nothing in this post should be construed as advice of any kind, including legal, business, or tax advice. This post does not constitute an offer to sell or the solicitation of an offer to purchase any investment. Thank you for watching, and please like and subscribe to our channel for more updates on the latest blockchain news and trends.